Welcome back guys. In the series of Android Studio tutorials, in this video we are going to make to-do app. In this app we will list all the works which we need to do in our daily life, and here is the demo of the app. You can see here it have a splash screen which will be shown for 3 seconds, and then after opening the app you can see here in bottom we have a button. On clicking on it we get a fragment which will store our task. Example, if I write task 2 here, see it can store the task 2, and if we have already completed task 1 we can click on it, as this is showing that the task is completed. And if you want to delete the task we can swipe it right and it will show a alert dialog which will ask us if you want to delete. If you press cancel it will get cancelled, and if you press ok it will get deleted. And now if again we create one more task, let name is task 1, and now you can see if you want to edit this task, if we swipe left you can see we can edit it now. If we write anything you can see this save button is disabled right now, and if we write it here the save button is enabled now. Then we can click on save and it will get saved. So that's it. In this tutorials there will be series of 5 videos in which we will learn many things like recycler view, SQLite database, and basic operations like creation of file, deletion of file, updation of file, and reading the file. So let me open once again. This is splash screen and this is our task 2 which is showing completed. So that's all for this demo. Stay tuned for us for tutorials.